有一杂汤，安慰空堂扎拉穷，米拉那给呀咩，达拉扬达能拉穷。làm chủ yêu em, sự hoa người làm ta là chồng, phụ chung à mẹ đam tu, chỉ cho mẹ bé cho là chồng, phụ chung à mẹ
you, who you was in the cave, Mama said, you, who change said, you. Lost that telling you, out the news today, no doubt. By your alone door, at the job, time to get little. Zatang ni jam lolo lima, desa benali kilo jo, ayu lekin jakana mendu, ayu lekin jak mendu, ayu.
Before I start the ceremony, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather here today, the land of the Gadigal people. I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and I extend that respect to any Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders people here with us today. Today, I would like to warmly welcome our chief guest, His Eminence, the Kundalini Tata Jeju Pototo Rinpoche Cho. His Eminence is a
其假如以许多的歌曲来感谢这个昆曲组，大家只为有喜做可是，他做同次年对的昆曲让他，他连另外一些参加他们学来设计，其昆曲这些他们或者是为那，那你最近学的是不认识的，他们说昆曲用给的话也，那你去听，真不过，是吧？我们是表达下去，听这个意思，看见我听这个东西，虽然你也你是我的脸，但是回头看来不去，非常看了，就是我的脸，看了，不就是脸，太看了。你对我的眼里，对眼里的脸，我知道。看见那句两年的辛苦，看见去年满的是感谢，看见苦涩的空难的，看见我们的苦节有完的。去年的更去年压力说，去年拉着今年产年长。
주님 정부 Dr. Sophie Skin Chone kalau sungsian na sungsian ani memang orang sungsian mo na kalau pun mereka sungsian di mung na
Now I'd like to
Tachi-Delek, everyone. I would like to acknowledge the special guests that are here today, but in particular I'd like, on behalf of the people of the Northern Beaches, to extend the most warmest of welcomes to His Eminence, the 13th Kundalini Rinpoche. We are indeed very honoured to have you here on the Northern Beaches today. Thank you. I always feel deeply honoured to be a part of these celebrations of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthdays, because as you hear, as we know, he is such a beacon of hope, compassion, and of course strength for all of you, of all the Tibetan communities, but also for people all around the world. I'd like to take on the occasion of the Holiness Dalai Lama's 90th birthday last year, when it was announced that the institution, the spiritual institution of the Dalai Lama would continue, and that the reincarnation of the 15th Dalai Lama would be chosen or identified according to traditional Tibetan practices and only by the inner sanctum of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. As I know that is such wonderful news for all of you and all Tibetans around the world. But I'd also like to recognise that this is a difficult time. Also, the recent introduction of China's ethnic unity laws. They should be called ethnic cleansing laws. By criminalising the practice of your cultural traditions, of your spiritual worship, they are indeed human rights atrocities. We've heard how other countries like in the EU and the US have called for these laws to be repealed. I too am urging the Australian government to urge the Chinese government for these laws to be repealed. For sanctions to be applied to those who enforce these laws, and for it to be raised at the UN General Assembly. Your rights here in Australia, you have human rights, you have the freedom of expression here in Australia, and we need to make sure that that is always strong and true. So I will be doing what I can to fight these laws. I'd also like to say, at a moment like this, we are extremely thankful to everyone here for all that you do to learn and pass on your wonderful culture, your traditions, and your spiritual learnings to everyone that is in this community and all of that that's happening around the world, because we know that the work that you do here in our community is helping to pass on these wonderful traditions to future generations. So the work that you're doing, the learning that you're doing, the sharing of your culture is so important, and I want to thank you deeply for all that you do. It is greatly appreciated, and keep it going and keep up the fight. Thank you. Now, so many more happy years of joy and health, and also for that guidance that he brings us. So to everyone here, enjoy the day, enjoy the celebrations, and particularly enjoy sharing your culture with everyone in the room and everyone here today. Thank you.
Toshina, Mixed Kunjun, Dr. Sophie Skin Chone, Galup Sapje, Naval
everyone. My name is Sue Hines. I'm the Mayor of Northern Beaches Council. And it's a great privilege to be here today to celebrate the 91st birthday celebration of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Before I just begin on some words on behalf of Council, I'd also like to pass on a personal message that came through to me last night. As I look around the room, I see a lot of the long-term supporters of the Tibetan community. And for those of you that remember Sue Spring, who has been part of your community for well over 15 years, probably a lot longer, she sends her regards. She couldn't make it today, last minute family emergency turned up, but a nice emergency, not a bad emergency. And also, it's just an honour to be in the presence of His Eminence. Thank you very much. It's very much an honour to be here while you're here, so thank you. On behalf of the Northern Beaches Council and our community, I extend my warmest congratulations and best wishes to the Tibetan community on this very special occasion, and thank you for the invitation.
Sanne Zongmo Jambu Su Heng Chode Kalop Sabjana wa Nita Wan Tushi Samal Chai Tabrana Dijila Ngeki Kangi Dongar Ki Loma Chua Kaji ne Shibo Pumun Tsewa Sele Chapshe Singse Mushua Nesha Samal Sunyo Yo Vere Washuyo Tushi Kishi Chambangawala ne Dang Tinzila Panani Ki Talo 코스장으로미치 공장 고주 고직을 피해 굴총가의 뛰는 아니 장으로미치 공로 야도 수주 쇼야기 땜티기 치도 아니现在 차배 야도 수주지 류연学姐 그리고 소리야 그래서 나서 대선장 참말로기 장으로미치 공장 그 야당 수주 쇼배기 문뒤당 대리 기시라야 닝타번에 투치했는 주로나 대대장도 대응기 쇼갱 수제당 조매대시 참지 초배기 몰래 한지라는 샤 대라 투시에신 주로나
Thank you all for having me here, and I just want to apologise for I'll be speaking in English. I don't speak Tibetan, even though I should. I just want to recognise that today we're making this celebration here in what is also occupied land that was colonised, land that is originally the land of the Gadigal Nation, and respect that. So, and I want to also thank His Eminence, the 13th Kundalini Rinpoche, for coming and blessing us with his presence today. Thank you very much. It's wonderful that you're here. Today we're here to celebrate the birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, of course. 91 years, and what an amazing contribution he has made to the world.
I just tried. I don't have to answer. You have to. I'm trying to because everyone else has it.